The Sony a7V, unveiled on December 2, 2025, marks a significant evolution in Sony's mid-range full-frame mirrorless lineup, and at its core is a brand-new 33-megapixel partially stacked Exmor RS CMOS sensor. This isn't just a resolution holdover from the Alpha 7 IV, it's a re-engineered powerhouse that delivers flagship-level speed and performance at a more accessible price point, making the Alpha 7V a compelling hybrid for photographers, videographers, and creators. Dubbed the world's highest resolution 33-megapixel partially stacked sensor, it pairs with Sony's upgraded BIONZ XR2 processor, featuring an integrated AI unit, to slash readout times, boost dynamic range, and enable silent, high-speed shooting without the premium cost of fully stacked designs like those in the Alpha 1 or Alpha 9 series. Below, I'll break it down comprehensively: what it is, how it works, key specs, benefits, and real-world implications. What is a partially stacked sensor? To understand the hype, a quick primer. Traditional CMOS sensors, like the A7Ivors, read data row by row, which can cause delays, rolling shutter distortion in video, and limitations in burst speeds. Stacked sensors accelerate this by layering high-speed circuitry, like DRAM, directly behind the photodiodes, shortening data paths for near-instant readout. Think 1/200th of a second or faster. Partially stacked is Sony's clever middle ground. It stacks some key circuitry, e.g., for faster analog-to-digital conversion, but skips the full DRAM layer to keep costs down. Result? About 4.5 times faster readout than the Alpha 7 IV's non-stacked sensor, without ballooning the price to $6,000, plus like fully stacked flagships. It's BSI, backside illuminated, for better light gathering. And at 33 megapixels, it strikes a sweet spot for detail without excessive file sizes. Ideal for cropping, printing to 24 by 36 inches at 300 dpi or 8K video upsampling. This design makes the Alpha 7V Sony's entry-level pro hybrid, closing the gap to rivals like Canon's EOS R6 III or Nikon's Z6 III, which also use stacked tech performance benefits: speed, quality, and versatility. This sensor isn't just faster, it's transformative for real-world shooting. Ultra-fast burst shooting, 30 frames per second, blackout-free electronic, full AFAE tracking, up to 1,000 plus frames buffer. 10 frames per second mechanical, anti-flicker for stadiums / events. Pre-capture mode, grabs 1 second of shots before shutter press, game changer for wildlife, birds in flight. Silent electronic shutter means zero shutter noise for concerts or stealthy street photography, as hyped in early buzz. Superior video capabilities, 4K/60p oversampled from 7K, full sensor width, no crop, for sharp, detailed footage. 4K/120p cropped, APS-C mode, for 5 times slow-mo without distortion. Reduced rolling shutter, approximately 12 milliseconds, eliminates jello in handheld gimbals or quick pans, praised by filmmakers for reliability in docs or vlogs. 10-bit 4:2:2 color with S-Log 3/HLG for pro grading, and AI-assisted auto-framing for solo creators. Image quality enhancements. 16-stop DR means effortless HDR pulls, e.g., exposing for highlights in sunsets while recovering deep shadows. Paired with 7.5-stop IBIS sensor shift, it enables handheld telephoto sharpness up to 8 stops with OSS lenses. Low light prowess. Clean images at ISO 12800+. AI denoising in camera for quick edits. AI integration. The BIONZ XR2's AI unit leverages the sensor's speed for real-time detection. Humans, eyes, animals, vehicles, insects, even poses/gestures. Tracks at 120 frames per second. Auto-framing crops, reframes video subjects dynamically, though some call it gimmicky for stills pros. In the wild, post-launch X chatter Creators are geeking out over the silent speed, e.g., wedding pros love the 30 frames per second for candids without clicks, while vloggers rave about crop-free 4K 60p for gimbal work. Drawbacks? Video purists note no OpenGate or ProRes yet, and the crop on 120p might irk ultra-wide shooters. Battery life hits 580 shots, EVF, but extended video drains it faster. Overall, this sensor cements the Alpha 7V as a hybrid hero, perfect for enthusiasts upgrading from the Alpha 7 IV, $400 a premium for massive gains, or cross-shopping Canon/Nikon. Shipping starts late December 2025. Pre-orders are already hot. If you're deep into Sony, this is the upgrade everyone's whispering about.